All right, I just got this, and we're going to take a look at it. We're going to unbox it. I think we're going to unbox it. Yep, we're going to unbox it. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. All right, so it does come with stuff to put it on the wall or ceiling. You get that. And the unveiling is about to happen. There it is. So this is wired. So you hook this up and it's got a camera on it and it's got these two lights. Oh, this is going to be a project. So here's the camera, look. I think this turns. Okay, so yeah. So I could do it, I can set it up like this, right? And we've got this thing ready to go. And it's basically looking out at the backyard. I think this is going to work out great. It's pretty simple. You've got neutral, power, and a ground that has to be connected. And I'm sure there's an app that I've got to put on here. But yeah, that's ready to go now. I think that's everything. So yeah, looks pretty good. I like it. But we just got to hook it up. That's all, and see if it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to hook this thing up and use it. Peace out.